keep creating my vise, I'm going to create another part within the context of the assembly on this face. To do that, I'll go to the drop-down menu below Insert Components, select New Part, accept the inch part, and click to accept the part. I'll rename this part by right-clicking on it and selecting Rename Part, and I'll call this part 1006, and I'll accept that. Same as before, I want to now edit this part, so I'm going to select it, and then I'm going to select Edit Part. I want to create my part on this face, so I'll select this face, I'll look normal to it, and I'm going to start a sketch. So we'll go to Sketch, choose the sketch, click in white space, and then again I want to convert to entities. So I want to convert these two edges. The bottom edge, I'll right click to accept that, and I'll drag these 2 points down. Use my mouse gestures to start the line tool, and I'll close this off as a rectangle. Press Escape to stop creating entities. Just go back and we'll look at this isometrically. So I've just drawn a rectangle on this face. Next, I'll exit the sketch by right clicking and selecting Exit Sketch. I'll expand this part. The sketch is highlighted. This way I know it's selected. I'll go up to the features and I'll create a boss extrude, and I'll make the thickness 3/4. I'll accept that, and now I've created the end plate that I can put a hole through for the screw that will move these jaws in and out. Next, I want to add a clearance hole for the screw, so I'm going to look normal to this face. I'm going to go to the hole wizard. I'm going to create just a drilled hole in inch. I'll just show fractional drill sizes, and I want a 33/64 hole. So I'll select 33/64. I'm going to make it go through all. That'll just go through this part. So I've set up my hole specifications. I'll go to Positions. I just want to create one hole. I'll click to create it, press Escape, and this hole will be vertical with the origin, and I'll dimension it from the top edge down 3/8 of an inch. The sketch is fully defined. I'll exit the sketch. I'm going to rotate around a bit, and I'll stop editing this part. I'll go back to the isometric view. That's what I wanted, so I'll rebuild and save my work. In the next video, I'll walk through how to create the screw that will be used in this vise.